In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix realestate.com.au app not working. So if realestate.com.au application is not working on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be the unstable internet connection, so make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, your problem should be fixed. But if your problem is still not fixed, there might be some problem in the application itself. In order to fix that, you can try updating the app. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. Now tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply search for realestate.com.au. Once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Find the application for realestate.com.au and tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it, wait for a while and your application will be updated. Once the application has been updated, the bug should be fixed. Now you should be able to use the app. But if your application is still not working, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache. For that, launch open app library of your device. Find the application for realestate.com.au and long press on it. Now tap on this option, app info. Now you'll be led to the app info interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, storage and cache. Now you'll be able to find two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on the option clear cache. Now cache of this application will be cleared. Now your application should start working. But if your app does not work, what you can do is simply go back. Now try uninstalling the app. Tap on the uninstall option that you can see on the screen. Now what you have to do is tap on the OK option. After you do that, the application will be uninstalled. Now go ahead and install the application again and try using it. Now your app will surely work. But sometimes the problem might be with the device itself. In that case, what you can do is simply restart your device. For that, what you have to do is long press on the power button, or you can also scroll down from the top of your screen. Now what you have to do is tap on the power icon that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. After you do that, your problem will surely be fixed. So that is how you fix realestate.com.au app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.